Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys this pasta maker attachment for KitchenAid mixers made by FavorKit. This comes with the quick start guide, cleaning brush. Now the pasta maker. It's very beautiful and shiny. It feels very sturdy and strong. This is made out of stainless steel and aluminum. If you ever need to clean this pasta maker, there's a flap on the side. Just open this like so, and you're able to clean inside. Very easy. Now here's the pasta sheet roller, and here's the pasta cutter. The roller is adjustable. The settings they have here is 1 through 8. As you can see, as I turn up to 8, the gap gets widened. And the maximum is actually this dot right here, or the screw point. That's the widest you can have this opening at. Now on this side, the pasta cutter, the settings you have here is 6mm to 2mm. This one's for pasta. This one's for making spaghetti. And this one, 6mm, is making for fettuccine. Making pasta with this pasta maker is very easy. Here I have is a handful of dough. We want to flatten out this dough that's no more than 3/8 thick. If it's more than that, it would be hard to put in the roller. Once the dough is flat enough, we may put it into the pasta roller. It is recommended that your dough is on the drier side than the wet side. If it's too wet, the dough will stick on the rollers. Every time the dough passes through a roller, I change the dial setting to a lower number. The dough gets thinner every time. You adjust the thickness to your liking. Once you're happy with the thickness, we may put it through the cutter. Wow, look at that cut.